Let me tell y'all something. I got a slick 500-gallon rolling out shot today on a double axle trailer package. Get this one going on, man, Jason. Really nice setup here, so let's check her out. All right, start off with our trailer package, guys. Y'all know the deal. We build all of our trailers in-house. We design around your setup. Let me tell you something else. We build them right. Okay, we got a double frame rail all the way back. This one's got dual 3,500-pound axles, brakes on the rear. All right, fabricated fenders, 1/8-inch fabricated fenders, welded solid, ground down smooth. None of that Chinese crap. Some of these other guys are throwing on the trailers, not around here, okay? Up front, we got some storage. He also got a spare tire added. Great option, guys. Y'all know the deal. You don't want to be on the side of the road without a spare tire and be calling me up. I can't help you, fellas. All right, get your spare tire in the trailer. On the pit, so we got our 500-gallon. Now, this has actually got our custom patina finish on it. Now, what that is instead of just grabbing any old tank out here, we actually go through and paint it the specific colors you want. That way, say, hey, I want it red, green, and black. Spray them on there, sand back through, rust it up a little bit, do our clear coat finish. You get a nice patina in the exact colors you want, all right? Now, of course, the 500 gets counterweighted doors. That is standard. All right, inside here, you got 2 sliding top racks, 3 racks on the bottom. Bottom racks are removable. We do have a 1.5-inch ball valve grease drain down there as well for easy cleanup. Of course, we got the fold down stack. Every tank smoker we build gets a fold down stack, all right? TMG pits, tail truth thermometers. Now, on top of the fenders here, you'll see he got our stainless steel fender toppers. Great option. That way you set stuff down. You're not scratching that powder coated finish on your trailer, all right? Onto the firebox. Fully insulated firebox. That's the only way we do our tank smokers. We got a 24-inch diameter pipe in here, 3/8 wall, so it's not going to rust out on you. Wrap with insulation. Our door's insulated and the front of it's insulated. Holds heat great. Really makes this pit nice to run. On the passenger side here, we got all storage. So whole thing's wire mesh, plenty of storage room, all your firewood, tables, whatnot. I see all these guys going down the road, they got crap in their truck bed stacked up above the cab, all right? Don't be that guy. Get some storage on your trailer, you'll be good to go. And folks, that is Jason's 500, really nice rig here. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.